welcome to Kelo TV, where we learn how to create game, how to create an app, and also how to create a website, a business website, whatsoever kind of website. So in today's video, we're going to take you through how to create a QR code scanner app, and while I will guide you how to monetize the app as well. So first of all, I'll start with the screenshot of the phone, the one I recorded on my phone. That is the app. So here you can see, and I monetize it, and you can see after scanning the act is going to show. Well, after the act, it will now show the scan results. So as you can see, this is how it works. And if you check here, you can see the example of QR code scanner app as well on Google Play Store. So here you can see, yes, I skip, yes, so you can see this is the result of the scan. Yes, so this is how it works. So I go back to scan another one again. So simple, that is how you're going to make money from it. You see, after scanning this again, it's also going to show results, and it's going to also show hats. So that is how you make money with this app. So these are the example of all the QR code scanner available. So it doesn't matter, don't feel like if you're creating, how will you get users? The moment you publish it here, it has billions of people coming in on this Google Play App Store. So don't worry, if you start now, before you know, you will also have users as well. So that is how to get started. Okay, so once you monetize here with this example of 1 million downloads, you can imagine how much they can earn from ads on this with this app. So that is how it works. So without wasting time, let's go into building the app. First of all, you need to go to create an app. So once you click on create, it's going to open. That is where we're going to add all the details, and you can see once you publish your app on App Store and you link with Google AdMob, you'll see this green showing ready. So that means your app is monetized. So without this, you must have to know first publish on the AdMob supported App Store, then come back here and say yes, you have linked your app to an app store. So you have to select the particular which app store you link. Example, you can see from here, I'm waiting for this to load the create. Yes, okay, so here I wanted to show you where you can see to select. Okay, let's continue. So here we go with QR scanner. Yes, then we select the logo, anyone. Here I put the same QR scanner. Click continue, doesn't matter this one. Click next. For this particular app, we are not coming here with any code. It's here on this platform already. You can only pick and customize, with your color, how you want it to work, the header, whatsoever. You do all kind of customization. So here we go to create an empty app. Here we go to app manager. Okay, so here we go to section where we're going to select the QR scanner, and we make it our app, and we do some customization while we upload on any of the supported app store by AdMob. So here you can see QR scanner. This is where we go, and here you put the name of the scanner. So QR scanner. Here, if you like, you can change the color. Yeah, you can change the color. Yes, okay. Here you can leave it the way it is. Open externally, yes or no. No, don't open externally. Okay, so all these are settings, is based on you. You can do all those settings. So here you can see background color. Here I can select this one. no, yeah, no, this is okay. Here you can do whatsoever changes you want, and it's good for you to make your app so different from the rest. Okay, so here you save changes, you click on save changes, and here we go to it's still saving. So here, this is where you go. I was showing you something here. This is where you go back to your app, and after your app has been live on the supported app store, so you need to come back here and you need to edit and select which of the app store. For me is this one, Amazon App Store. That is where I publish, and that is where you see I tick, and you can see my app, it's ready. So this platform will we know that your app is really linked with any of the supported app store. So that is how it works. So here we go, still saving. Okay, so we go to name and okay, for the general info, where we go to name and icons. So here, this is where you going to come and create your, you click on add app, and here Haroid, and here no, and we click continue, and the name of the app, you also click on add app after putting the name. So as you can see, done. Now it's time to create the banners for the ads. So here, if you click here, this is where we'll see our app ID. This is app ID, our app ID is here. So this is where we link the app ID here, and you click save. Okay, here is asking that we should enable the camera to access okay, for the QR scanner to work. So I have to say yes and click, say okay. So here you go back and you go to ads. This is where you're going to create all the banner ads. Okay, you can see it had ads unit. Okay, here you click get started. So here are all the three almost 5 or 6 ad types. So you can see the banner. You start with the banner, anyone is fine. So here you can add the same name so that you'll be able to know which one is for the banner, which one for the rewarded ad, and the rest. So here we copy this. Don't copy this again, because this is what we copy, we put from the app ID. So this is app ID, so don't copy app ID again. We have already linked the app ID. Here you go, click done or create another one. Anyone you click is fine. Okay, here you can see, yes, here I put the same. Okay, so this is how to create all the banners ads on AdMob. So you go back here and you click and you add, always check, you can see AdMob had unit ID, so don't put it at the wrong place. Okay, so that also can cause your AdMob not to approve your account as well. So make sure you follow the video step by step. So here we go here, and I think this is the last. Yeah, so here you click and done. Here we come, we had our, and that is all. You click save changes. Now you're good to go. It's time for you to download your app. As you download your app, you publish on App Store, and you come back here to, once your app is approved, you come back to the app. Here you click on the app, it's open this way, the same thing, and here you come to app settings. So this is where you're going to select the, and as I told you, I did not say it's added into an app store. I said no. So that is it gives you this blank space. So once it's live on App Store, you can come back here and click add. So this is where you're going to select the app store you link your app with. So example, if it's Amazon, you click. If it's this one, you click anyone. You click. If it's Google Play Store, you can copy the package name or the URL of the app. You put it here, it will show up and you confirm, and that is how it works. I hope you learned something new today. I can't wait to see many of you coming and thanking me for providing this free knowledge and also guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and don't always forget to ask your question if you have below the video, or you join my WhatsApp group where you have access to talk to me, talk to the members, talk to the people in the group as well. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.